In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print suppliers list in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have a clean printable list of all your suppliers ready to file, share, or save as a PDF. Start by opening your web browser and heading to QuickBooks Online. Sign in to the correct company if you manage more than one, so you're working with the right data. Once you're in, look at the top of the screen for the main navigation. Find the option labeled Expenses and Bills and click it. This takes you into the expenses area where QuickBooks groups everything related to bills, vendors, payments, and related lists. On this page, glance to the left side of the screen. Under the expenses and bills section, you'll see a link for suppliers. In some regions, this might be labeled vendors, but it's the same place. Click suppliers to open the full supplier list for your company. You'll now see your supplier directory with columns like name, email, open balance, and other details depending on your setup. Move your attention to the right-hand side of the list. In the action column at the top of the table, you'll see a small printer icon. This is the shortcut to print exactly what you're viewing. Before you click it, a quick tip. The printout reflects the current list on your screen, including the visible columns and sorting. If you've recently changed the view or sorting, take a second to confirm it looks the way you want. When you're ready, click the printer icon. Your browser's print dialog will open. Here's where you can fine-tune the output. First, choose your destination. Select your physical printer or pick Save as PDF if you want to share or archive the list digitally. Next, adjust layout. If your list has many columns, switching from portrait to landscape often prevents columns from being cut off. Use scale or zoom to fit more on a page without shrinking text too much. Somewhere between 90% and 100% usually keeps things readable. If you prefer a cleaner look, turn off headers and footers so the URL and date don't appear on the page. For longer lists, you can set a page range to print just the first few pages or leave it on all to capture the entire list. Give the preview a quick scan to make sure names and balances are fully visible and nothing is truncated. When everything looks good, click Print, or if you selected a digital destination, click Save and choose where to store the PDF. That's it. You've printed your suppliers list in QuickBooks Online. Go to Expenses and Bills, open Suppliers, use the printer icon, adjust your settings, and print. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.